Hello everybody, so here we are again, and I can't really speak aloud right now because of course people are sleeping around me, like not around me but actually nearby me. So that thing I need to keep in mind. By the way, we are here to just get the thing started again. Right now I will actually be learning the things about Python, and mainly I have to learn about the classes and all. But before that, let's simply revise the things that I have learned so far, and then we will simply be going ahead. It's gonna be like that. So I hope I'm audible. Okay, that's great. And even I can just set a music that's just getting the same music that's just repeating over and over, so that at least that sounds okay. Alrighty, by the way, let's continue from here on. This will just keep getting repeated over and over, not a big problem. And let's continue from here on. So talking about the things that I actually learned so far. So mainly I was learning the things about classes, and when it comes to classes, so first of all, of course, these are the class attributes that I learned yesterday, and these are the I learned about instance attributes, I learned about the class attributes, I learned that instance attributes, they have more priority than class attributes. And when it comes to class attributes, we can actually access them inside the method instance method. So instance attributes have more priority than class attributes, and they can be actually accessed over here too. And then these are some of the things that I actually ran. Student.college, now my college. Then actually we can, okay, never mind. Ultimately we can get the class attributes as well over here, and we can print that, and we can get the instance attributes too by just using dot notation. And after that I actually learned how to define a constructor, and after that I learned about class methods. You can actually create class methods, and they will be able to access only class attributes. So only they can access class attributes, and you will have to use @class method. This is the decorator that you need to use that. Then you will have to create instance method. You can create that. You will not have to. You can create instance method. Over there you will have to provide simply references to the instance itself, and here you can access both class as well as instance attributes. And lastly, you can create a static method. Again, you will have to use static method decorator over here. And again, this is only used for some extra functionality or extra calculation or other things that you actually need to do, and it cannot access anything. It cannot access class or instance attributes, used for some extra calculations or features if you want to add them. So this is how it will take some values inside it as parameters, and this is how we can just simply go ahead. By the way, this has been even insane. And then after that, okay, here we are just simply calling the things and all. So this is the suppose laptop class that I have instantiated over here. After that I got the instance, and on that particular instance I can call the method. So I'm calling get info. This is the instance method that I have created over here. So I'm getting the info. Then I can call the laptop.getStorageType. This is the class method, and using the class itself I can call the method, or the same method can be called using the instance as well. So even I can do this thing that l1.get_storage_type and something like this. Even this can be done, but the thing is that this will return none if I'm not wrong. Let's see, laptop storage type. What is the storage type? That is SSD. So yeah, I will be getting this particular result in both. I can call any one of them. I should be getting the same response. Guess what, I'm actually doing it over here just below that, never mind. And then I can calculate the discount and all. So this is how the things have been going on so far. So ultimately this much I learned yesterday, and this much I have actually been revised right now, so I don't need to worry about anything. Remaining things are there. I have to learn about the inheritance. I have to learn about polymorphism. I have to learn about abstraction and all in Python, of course. So those are the things that I'm gonna be learning right now. So I will simply be just a minute, let me do one more thing. Right now if I do it, you will not be able to hear the music. Yeah, can I rename it? Rename it full music. One music. This is gonna be just one music, and I will be getting one more music player and media source existing. I will browse it the full one like this one, and I have to loop it. Restart play becomes active, use hardware and click. That is nothing going to be the I will be just stopping it. So at a time I will be playing only one of them, so either this or that. It's gonna be like this. So I have this media source, and let's do one thing. I will be playing the music at the highest volume.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
I hope I'm audible right now. Okay, sorry, I couldn't really see the message and all. I was just busy just going through the stuff and all. What is the thing? First of all, let me make sure whether I'm audible or not. First of all, I should be audible. Even let's stop playing this one, rather play this particular music. How about right now? Am I audible? Let me know. Mic. Hello, hello. Am I audible? Let me know first of all. Then I'll let you know. The remaining stuff. First of all, let me make sure that I'm audible or not. Actually, I have turned many things on, so I'm not even sure whether I'm audible or not. Hello, hello. Am I audible? Let me know first of all. Then I'll let you know. Okay, so the simple thing is that here you already know C++. अब सुनाई दे रहा है तो भाई सिंपल है. देखो, which language would you prefer? By the way, you have written most of the things in English, so I will be speaking only in English. So the thing is that you have to learn two things: front end as well as back end. In front end, we use JavaScript. In back end, you can use any language, depends on you. But for front end, you will have to learn JavaScript anyhow. When it comes to backend, you can do backend using Python, using Java, using JavaScript. It's up to you. But for front end, you will have to learn JavaScript. That is a compulsory thing. So if you are already learning JavaScript for front end, why not use the same JavaScript in the backend as well? So you can learn JavaScript one language, and you can use that language in both the cases, for front end as well as for backend. So this is how you can just simply go ahead. And as for the getting best sources are concerned, so there are many videos actually on YouTube. If you are just starting out, so you can just check them out, like a course that follow the course that has already been completed. So it would be great. So you can find many videos, many courses on YouTube. Just go through them. They are good for starting, and slowly you will, get the right way. Whether from where you should actually learn. It's like that. By the way, it's not like somebody teaches a bad way. The thing is that by whom you can actually understand easily. So if you are understanding what the person is teaching, that's the thing can be for you. So I hope you get that. So the simple thing would be to learn JavaScript for both. Then after that you can learn Python for backend, Java for backend, depends on you. But initially you can start with the JavaScript, and you can use this language for both front end as well as backend. And as for the course, you can get many things on YouTube. On even there are some paid courses. You can explore them too. Once you just first of all watch some of the free videos, and slowly, of course, you will get to know about the things, other things. But I'm definitely I hope you are looking for the free sources, and they are available on YouTube. It's like that. I hope it's clear. Let me know. Like, and there are many courses actually. If you just start looking for web dev course, I think there's a course by Code with Harry. Yeah, there's this course in Hindi. There are 139 videos. Just follow any course and you will be done. भाई YouTube वीडियोज लॉन्ग होते हैं, इतना ज़्यादा टाइम ज़्यादा सीखने का YouTube वीडियोज लॉन्ग होते हैं, टाइम ज़्यादा जाएगा जैसे सीखने का कुछ टीचिंग मटेरियल्स लाइक The thing is that I do have my notes, but you will not understand anything from them. You will have to create your own notes. If you are just looking for some PDFs, you will be stuck. Just follow any, like even this. The thing is that if you're learning something, it will take time. So do not expect. I'm not even sure. Like he has these shorts videos, so I'm not sure like whether it's actually taking the long time and all. You can watch any crash course video on GS if you do not really have lots of time. So just watch any crash course video where they're just simply teaching the normal things and all, and then get started with that. Do not look for the PDFs and all, because as for the content you have AI. Okay, you can ask AI to make a PDF for you of JS, and the AI is going to make. So if you are actually looking for a PDF, that will just for no use until you have created on your own. So if you are creating a PDF for yourself, that will be good for you. If you are just taking someone's note, that's never ever gonna be good, because I have created my notes as per my choice. I have removed many things, only the important things, like those things which I can't remember are there, so it will be hard for you to understand until unless you know that well. So yeah, watch the video, watch any short video if you don't have lots of time, but you will have to ultimately go with that, and then slowly you can go through the documentation and all, and done. I hope it's clear. Let me know if that's clear to you. I haven't gone through this, but he has actually put his all in this one too. He has covered many things. Twitter clone is here. Components, he has even covered React, and I think he is still uploading the videos and all. My last words, okay. So there are 138 videos, and they are not quite long. There are some other projects as well. So what else? And then you will get many. Once you have learned the basics, then as for the projects, there are many projects. So if you just simply search web dev projects, so you will get many. So the thing is that are you ready? Plus, as for the time, yeah, things take time. There is no shortcut. You will have to go through them. You will have to build the projects. Building the projects is gonna take a lot of time. So yeah, it does take time. There is no shortcut. As for the projects, there are actually many projects. You can just simply go through them and just create them once you just got the basic things. I hope it's clear. Right now, I'd like to just call it over here, and I like to just end this. I hope you got that, and then I'm gonna be studying again. I didn't know that the chats were on. Mostly I just turned the chats off. Sorry, you texted me and then I didn't realize. Project for job. What else do you read? Such great projects they are actually building. And never mind why I was just simply looking at that. But yeah, you can find many sources. Right now, there's everything on YouTube if you are ready for that. By the way, if you got the things, let me know. By the way, I will be turning it off. I will be going muted again. I'm going to be muted again, so just make sure that everything's clear to you. By the way, as you are mentioning this thing here, you must have got to know about many things already, so just go with that. There is no right or wrong path. The thing is that only work is there. Bhai, just JST out of topic. My just out of topic question. I have been following you since last month. It's not related to me or my business. If you mind, what and where would you do a job? Just freelance, etc. Job. Wherever I get it. It's simple. Wherever I get the job, I will do that. I don't have any preference. The thing is that yeah, if I get a job, I will do the job, whether that is freelancing or that is even at a place. The thing is that I don't wanna waste my lots of time just going here and there. So I will make sure that it doesn't take a lot of time to just reach there. If that is so, if that's freelancing or remote job, anything I get, I will do. But before that, I wanna get my learning done. So at least for 365 days, I'm gonna be keep learning. Gonna be learn about AI and all everything else, and then of course just the job. But yeah, I'm okay with anything. It's not like I have a particular preference and I have a particular type, like I will only do open source, so sorry, or freelancing and all. Anything would do, go initially, and then of course I have my own plans for the future, so I'll be going with them. It's like that. I wanna do the job mainly for learning, yeah, because I cannot get the real experience just sitting at home, so I will have to do the job. And even kind of job where I have to work a lot, that would be great too. I'm not afraid of like working hard or something like that. So anything would go with me. It's like that. But before even doing the job, the main goal is on learning. Once I have learned that, I think I will be able to get the job as well. That's not a big problem. I hope it's clear. भाई एक टाइम में सब लर्न कर रहा मैच होगा क्या? भाई एक टाइम में सब लर्न कर रहा हूँ, मैच नहीं. हाँ ओके, मिक्स मैच नहीं होगा क्या? एक्चुअली आई एम लर्निंग एवरीथिंग. आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट मी और आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ? अच्छा, कर रहे हो ओके, सॉरी, मिक्स मैच नहीं होगा क्या? द थिंग इज दैट, look, right now I have learned my full stack thing, so I know how to build a full stack website. It will take some time, but I will be able to build that. Once you have learned one technology, what else I'm learning? I'm learning about DevOps. DevOps is related to web development. What else I'm learning? Python. I'm learning Python from AI. I will be adding AI in my web development. So ultimately, whatever I'm learning, that is connected to one thing, full stack. So full stack is my main thing, and whatever I'm learning around that, I'm learning DevOps so that I can deploy my full stack projects or on any EC2 machine or any virtual machine. So DevOps is related to full stack. I'm learning Python. I'm learning it because so that I can learn about Gen AI, generative AI, and I can just add some things to again my full stack projects. So it's like that. Whatever I'm learning, that is just around this particular field, full stack, so that I can build really good projects, full stack projects, using all the technologies. But as for getting confused, right now I do not get confused because I already know web development, and Python I learned it 2 years ago, so it's kind of a revision and I'm just learning it again. And what DevOps, that is something new for me. But okay, it's okay. It's not about how many things you are learning, it's all about how much time you are giving to that particular thing. If you have started something, you need to give at least 3 hours daily. Are you able to give 3 hours to that particular thing daily? If you are able to give, you will not get confused. Simple. Or if you are just so it's like I have just 3 things. Yeah, I'm learning about Next.js. I already know React, so on top of that I'm learning Next.js. So even that is not hard because that is just built on top of React.js. So everything is connected. They may seem like I'm learning many things, but in reality everything is connected. Whatever I'm learning, all those things are connected to each other. It's like that. So I hope it's clear right now. I should be going back and then continue my study. I hope it's clear to you. Let me know. Clips drama. What a username you have. By the way, as for your learning, just simply get started. Don't worry. Just go with any source. If you don't have time, just go through any video and all and get it done. Okay, bhai, keep learning. Thanks for your advice. Starting is the most important thing. You will get your own way soon. The thing is that if you do not start and keep thinking, nothing will happen. If you start, you will automatically realize that this teacher is good for me. This teacher explains well. This teacher has good projects. From this place I should learn. You will get everything. But the thing is that, are you going to start from today itself, not tomorrow? Alright then, I'm gonna be catching up soon. I hope it helped you. And I have to continue my study. So right now I cannot talk much. I hope I'm gonna be catching up when I'm actually working on projects, and then I'll continue. Is that clear? I don't have any problem with like explaining this stuff and all, but right now I had better just simply go with my plan that I have made. Is that clear? Let me know. Just waiting for your one comment. And then I can go ahead. I hope that's done. I'm gonna continue from here. Okay, thank you. I will be turning the chats off too, unfortunately, because when I'm learning I can't reply, and if I don't reply, you will keep waiting only. So that is why I'm going to turn the chats off right now. Whenever I work on the projects, at that time I keep the chats on. So I hope I will catch you during that period too. Take care and just start learning. If you face any problem, let me know. I would love to help you with that. But the thing is that the most important thing, you have to start. So start that, and if you face anything at all, any problem at all, let me know. Or you can join the WhatsApp group. The link has been given in the description. We have many people over there. They are learning the same thing and all. So we are learning in group. So you can join that too. By the way, that was it. I'm gonna be playing the music right now.
shadows till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
Alright everybody, I hope I'm audible right now. So that should be it actually. I have to now sleep so that I can actually wake up early in the morning and then I can restart the stuff and all. That should be it for now. Mainly I've been learning about roots, and this thing is not done yet. I'm yet to learn about the abstraction and polymorphism. So especially as far as that particular topic is concerned, so of course I will be learning that. Today I couldn't really do much because I mostly spent morning time just working on that mainly project. Next time onwards I'll keep that particular thing in mind, and then I'll be able to get the things done in the best way possible. That was it by the way. I will be catching up soon. I gotta sleep early so that I can wake up early and then I can continue the things. So I'm gonna be catching up tomorrow in the morning. I hope you guys are doing your best. Keep up the good work.